Hi Tash.
Hi. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Naked palette in Heat. It's a new one. They're the colours I'm going to use. I am first going to put a base on. I love Painterly Paint Pot by MAC. It sets the eyeshadow very well. Put that all over my lid. I'm going to warm up my lid with Sourced. It's warm brown. All over the lid. Going to go in for another colour now. Oh, love that. It's nice. I am going to go slightly darker with Low Blow. I'm going to tap it a bit because I don't want this to be too strong. I'm going to go and give a bit of definition here. Can you see? It's very subtle. Just a subtle definition there. I do pull my skin taut because I've got a bit of excess skin there and it just helps to put the product on. Next I'm going for Ashes. And this is going in the outer corner. Next I'm going to use a clean brush. Blend it all nicely together. Next we'll go under using again Ashes, the same one I used in the corner socket. Really want to get most of the excess off. I like really thin brushes to do this and I prefer to build up the line. This is from an art shop, actually. I love it. I like art shop brushes because they're different shapes and I like that. This one's particularly small. They're really, really good quality as well. And they're cruelty free most of the time. Next I'm going to use a bit of shimmer. It's a lumber. This is a beautiful peachy shimmer. I'm putting it in the center and blending it into the corner. Patting it. I prefer to pat shimmery shades. Now I need to put some eyeliner on. My brown, my trusty brown, which I love. I'm going to put on the outside, underneath my lashes. And in the outer corner, I drag like that. That's how I like to find my little flick, a teeny weeny flick for me. Now I'm going to use my black eyeliner. It's great for an evening look. And I put it inside the inner rim of my eye. It looks a bit gruesome, but I also like to go get it really, I love it really, really black at the roots. I don't put it in my tear duct because I feel like it just makes my eyes look a little bit too small. With my thin brush, I'm going to go into the corner of my eye and with the excess eyeliner just do a little flick. Next is mascara. Now eyebrows. I love this Suki Framing Eyebrow Liquid Pen. Very natural, and that's how I like my eyebrows. I really like Suki eyebrow pens to build up a natural brow. It's a great product. Now I'm going to do the other side. That's the eyebrows done now. I'm going to finish up and I'll be back. Amber smoky eyes done. If you've enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel.